Everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll break down some powerful Excel formulas in the easiest way possible. Whether you're a beginner or want a quick refresher, this video will help you master these formulas in no time. So by the end of this video, you will be using these formulas like a pro, and if you find useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. Alright, let's start. First of all, let's talk about Sumproduct. This formula is like a smart calculator. It will multiply the number from two or more columns and give you the results. So imagine you have a sales report with quantity in column A and price in column B. Okay, and you want to get the sale price. So you have to do it manually. So instead of doing it manually, with the help of this formula, you can extract the results. Let me show you with the help of practical example. So this is my data for you, and how we can do it, let me show you. So this is our forecasting report. Okay, so now we have our revenue over here. So like we have the actual data and we have the forecasting data also, and we have different service lines here. Okay, so you can see that for same service line we have different numbers also. Okay, so now over here we want to extract all this with the help of the formula. So how we're gonna do it, let me show you. Let me delete this first and I'll show you from the beginning. So you can say here there is array 1, 2 and 3. So we can put here 3 conditions. Okay, so first one will be, since we have to extract the information from here, so we will select this whole array. Bracket close. So this was one array. Second thing is we want the numbers for management consulting. So we will select this service line from here till bottom, and we will put is equal to, this should be a management consulting, and we close the bracket. Same way we will do it for the month as well, because we want the information for this particular month and for this particular service line. And you can see there is some error. It's because we have missed the bracket here. Alright, so there is some problem. It is because of the bracket. Here we go. So this is how you got it. Now we will copy and we will paste it over here. Okay, so there is one more error. So how we gonna solve this? It is because we have not added the $sign. See, so now the next step after making the formula, now you have to freeze this, because this is not going to change. Also we will freeze this one because this is also not going to change. However, this thing is gonna change, so we have to just freeze the B column here. And this one will also be freezed, and this one also be freezed. And here we will not freeze the C, we will freeze the 1, because we want to keep it changing like D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, and now let's check it. So here we go. So we got it. If you copy and paste it over here, it's gonna be the same. So next we have SumIf, which lets you add numbers only if they meet a condition. Let's say you have a list of sales and you only want to sum the sales for product A. So instead of manually filtering and adding, you can just use this formula and you will get the results. Let me show you. So for this one we are going to use SumIf formula, and I want to know how much sales we have for July month for this particular revenue. Now instead of going here and doing the filter and then totaling, it's coming to 1.22 million. Okay, so instead of doing this and writing there, we can use this formula and get the information. So how we're gonna do it? Let me show you. So first we will give the range. In the range we'll give this one, this column. So from this comma, so we need to check this is our criteria. If it is, then we need a total from this column, and here we go. So we can copy paste and we get the information, right? So this is how we can copy paste over here total, and we'll get the information. So we have covered Sumproduct and Sumif. Okay guys, so I hope you found this helpful. So do like, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in comment section which formulas you use the most, and see you in the next video.